I moved into Watermark the end of April after my son got married in Punta Cana. I chose Watermark mainly because it was new and the location is absolutely wonderful here. I knew that this was the place I wanted to live until I retired. I like the gym, the idea that I can go 24 hours a day to the gym is a really nice amenity, especially with my age, even just having a treadmill to walk on. I have walked around the pool. I only have one granddaughter, so I'm very anxious to have her come over. She wants to go swimming, and she wants to learn to bench press. So having and being so close where I am located to just walk across the parking lot to the gym or the pool, I liked being able to choose my own apartment since they are new. The staff has been absolutely wonderful. Anything I have needed or had questions about, they were right there. They got on top of anything I needed. Even so much that my door was hard to unlock with the key, and they came over the very next day and tried to get it working to where it was smoother for me. I mean, they're just wonderful. Even the least little thing, all you do is have to ask here. So I look forward to, if I do go out and walk or sit on my patio, to see the dogs come by, as well as the neighbors. I'd tell any of my friends, especially my age, if you're ready to downsize, get out of a house, you need to come and see Watermark at Tiffany.